Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're in the kitchen and we are making a winter fruit salad because it is winter and it is cold outside. And although I'm not a fan of this weather, I do like fruit and I like putting it in a bowl, stirring it up, and eating it in the winter. Now, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you could hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I've got some Honeycrisp apples, I've got some kiwis, some clementines, some pomegranate seeds because I didn't feel like cutting open a pomegranate, but you can totally cut it open and get the seeds from there. And I've got some ingredients that will lighten this fruit up. I've got some mint leaves, as well as some orange juice and some honey to throw over those fruits to brighten them up. All right, so let's go ahead and prep our fruit. So we're gonna use 2 large Honeycrisp apples. You could use any other sweet apple that you like, but I love the Honeycrisp. And I'm not gonna peel it because why? I just don't want to. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these up into chunks. So I'm gonna cut around the core. And put it all in a bowl. I'm also going to peel this kiwi and then chop it up as well. I like my kiwi to have a little bit of a squeeze, but just not too much. And the great thing about this fruit salad is that all this stuff is really, really good for you. So, win-win for that. Gonna go ahead and peel these clementines and then break them apart. The stringy strings off. I try to get as much of the stringy strings off as I can. And I've got my pomegranate seeds here that you can use about half a cup to a cup of pomegranate seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and just plop those in there on top. It helps, pomegranate seeds are really good for you. Also, it helps bring more color to our fruit salad. All right, and I've got here some mint leaves that I'm gonna just tear off a few. Now, if you don't like mint, don't add it. Especially if you're making this ahead of time to like eat over for a few days, that mint is going to grow, like that flavor is like, woo, strong. But I like mint, so I'm gonna add it. You're just gonna go ahead and just kind of chop it up a little bit. I'm chopping it up maybe about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of mint. Add that into my fruit salad. Now that we've done prepping all our fruit, we're gonna go ahead and make the dressing. Now this dressing calls for about a 1/4 cup of orange juice and about a tablespoon of honey. Now that's going to sweeten this up just a little bit. I know it's fruit, it's already sweet, but it's gonna also combine those flavors. But the good thing about the OJ is that the citrus in it is gonna help these apples not turn brown quickly, right? Like if you've ever cut into an apple, even if you try to cut it ahead of time, you'll notice that they'll turn brown. But what helps with that is any type of citrus. So if it's like lemon juice, you can use that too. But I like the way the orange juice tastes in this salad. All right, rant over. Let me go ahead and combine this orange juice as well as this honey so we can pour it over our salad. I'm just gonna do about a tablespoon. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pour this dressing right over this salad. Get a big old spoon and stir it all together. Try to make sure that orange juice, gets over all of the fruit. And really all, it's just that easy. You've just made yourself a fruit salad. Now, this is good if you're like, let's say you're doing brunch and you want to have some like fruit. This is the perfect, you know, thing to put on a brunch table. I also like to make this and then put it in the fridge, like I said, for a few days. And so that way we can kind of snack on it. And like I said, that citrus really helps keep those apples from turning brown. And so it will be super delicious. Fruit salad. All right, so now to give this a taste. Wait, I didn't get any pomegranate or kiwi. It's all the way at the bottom. Get a little bit of fruit. Fruit never tasted so good. All right, until the next time, bye. Take my fruit with me.